Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. You know, one of the things I really love in my shop is my grizzly bandsaw. But recently I started out with a $12 blade that was working perfect. It worked fine, and I never really had any trouble. And then I had purchased a carbide blade, about $139 carbide blade, and finally I thought, okay, well, it's time to use this carbide blade. And even though the $12 blade, there was nothing wrong with it, I put the carbide blade on, and it worked really well for a little while. And then all of a sudden I made a mistake. I was trying to cut, I don't have one here, but I was trying to cut a round disc, and basically, make sure it's unplugged. Basically what I was doing is it was a 4-inch disc, so I had the fence up about that high, and I had the fence right here like this. I had a push block. So picture this as the round wood disc. I had it right here, and I was using a push block like this, and I was pushing it through like this. Well, it grabbed it and jerked it and spun the disc, and in the process it did something to the blade, and now it doesn't cut good at all, and I don't know what it did. I've tried to but watch. Right there. I don't know if it's bent or... Actually, it looks like, yeah, I see I wonder if I can fix that. You know what? Before I change this blade, I'm going to see if I can take vice grips and a couple pieces of metal and see if I can straighten those blades. That's what it is. I can see right there. Let me see if I can get you a better picture. I don't know if you can see it, but it's straight right there, and then you're coming down and it's crooked right there. So it must have bent a few blades. So I think what I'm going to try to do before I was going to change back to the $12 blade, but I think what I'll try to do is see if I can straighten that. And let's see where it's at. Right there. Can you see it? Right there. So I'm gonna try to straighten that. Let's see what happens. I might be able to use this C-clamp. So I've got the machine unplugged. Maybe I could straighten this blade and save it. Actually, what I'm going to have to do is go behind the carbide, because the carbide's bigger. That's still pretty crooked right there. It's almost like I twisted it right there. Yeah, you really have to. And it was my inexperience thinking that I could cut it like that. Ooh, that looks pretty straight. It would sure be nice if that fixed it. It looks really straight now. You know, it's funny, I was actually making this video to basically tell everybody why I went from a $150 blade back to a $12 blade. And basically, it was because I don't deserve the $150 blade. Because I haven't had it that long, and I've already bent it. But it looks like I might have fixed it, so we're gonna give it a try and see if we saved it. If we did, if this didn't save it, then the Outlaw is going to a $12 blade because that's all he deserves. Anyway, yeah, let me try that. Let me see how it works. Get our dust collection. Get a piece of wood. Get some safety glasses. Okay, let's give it a try. Thanks for watching Outlaw Woodworking. I got really lucky and I was able to repair this blade, and it actually is cutting really nice. And I repaired it with a C-clamp and a vice grip, and basically I was able to straighten out the blade and then twist it back to its position. But I really think I got extremely lucky, and we'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully the fact that I bent it, you know, didn't weaken the metal too much, hopefully. Anyway, yeah, how to repair a bandsaw blade Outlaw style. Hopefully you never have to do that. It was my inexperience that that bent the blade in the first place. So anyway, I got lucky. I'll get to use this carbide blade for a little while longer. And thank you for watching. Ring the bell, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Later.